Welcome to Breckenridge Lodge. Relax, reflect, and recharge. Nestled perfectly upon the hillside in the exclusive Breckenridge estate, this magnificent sun-filled home enjoys captivating views over gardens and vineyards to the river and hills beyond. Currently operated as boutique luxury accommodation with owner's residence, Breckenridge Lodge will appeal to those wishing to procure a lifestyle property with income potential, or alternatively, a large family home for all to enjoy. The large main residence includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living and lounge, along with a chef's kitchen and 2,000 bottle wine cellar. Ideal for those who delight in entertaining, whether it be guests, family or friends. The lodge accommodation adjoins the main residence and comprises 5 private suites, all with ensuites. A formal dining room for guests and a separate lounge with a warming fireplace provides relaxed and comfortable living. All accommodation enjoys outstanding views to the gardens and vineyards beyond. Pathways through landscaped gardens lead to an alfresco dining area featuring a magnificent pizza oven. The perfect place to relax and enjoy mouth-watering pizza, a glass of wine, and soak in the amazing views. Breckenridge Lodge is conveniently located within a 20-minute drive of Napier, Hastings, and Hawke's Bay Airport.